NCC has announced the introduction of F&O contracts on 4 stocks, and this is with effect from December 31st, 2025. For more details on this, let's go across to Sudarshan for this.
So come January 2026 series, you'll have 4 new stocks being part of futures and options contract, while 4 stocks which are currently part of F&O will make an exit. Those stocks which would be excluded are HFCL, NCC, Titagarh Rail and Cyient. New 4 stocks that will be part of F&O effective December of 31, and those are Swiggy, Waaree Energies, Premium Energies, Bajaj Holdings and Investment. And most of these names have been making moves over the last few trading sessions. So first, I'll talk about those stocks which will be exiting F&O, and the first on the list is HFCL. Company has recently completed fundraising of more than rupees 550 crore via QIP, and today also the stock is sharply higher. At one point the stock was up as much as 9% and currently hovering around its QIP's floor price that was around 65.84 rupees per share. And if you talk about this series move, it's down 6%, and this year, that is in 2025, stock has been one of the biggest underperformers if you talk about all the mid-cap names, and has fallen as much as 41%. NCC, which has reported a weak set of earnings for Q2 FY26, even had trimmed overall guidance for FY26. And this month, in this series, that is of December 2025, like HFCL, this stock too has fallen 6%. And in 2025 too, this stock has fallen as much as 41%. Titagarh Rail, this in the line of all the other rail companies, basically have been seeing all the major moves ahead of budget that we have next month, basically in the Feb 2026. This Titagarh Rail also over the last few trading sessions has seen a sharp up move, but in this series, that is in December of 2025, the stock has moved 9%. In 2025, overall, in the year, the stock is down 18%. Cyient has been biggest underperformers if you talk about all the IT names, down 41% this year and down 3% this series. Stocks that will be part of F&O from December 31, Swiggy, and that would be, it's being included after 1 year of the listing. And at one point, the stock had fallen below rupees 300 per share. That was after Q1 FY26 earnings. But it's up 5% in this series and down 26% in 2025. Waaree Energies, Premium Energies and Bajaj Holdings have been down in the range of 3 to 11% in the month of December 2025. And these 3 names will also be part of F&O from December 31.
Okay, all right, Sudarshan, thanks very much for that. So that's the entire F&O rejig that we can expect. But we do have Vivek now to take us